Hi guys, it's Max Lewis here, and I'm going to be showing you how we can create a delivery website just like this from beginning to the end. That has a track package feature where we can track packages. Has a track package feature and also have a live chat feature where clients can chat with you from the website. So remember that you don't have to know how to program to do this. It's a very simple process. All you need to do is follow my steps, the steps that I will show you. Just watch this video and follow every step that I will show you. It's very simple, and you get in less than 30 minutes to 1 hour, you get a functional delivery website up and running. You do not need to know how to program to do this, as you can just do this by following the simple steps that I'll be showing you. So once you're watching the video, everything I do, every click I make, you just do same, and in no time you have same website up and running with your address, with your domain name, with your company name edited into it. As simple as that. Once you're watching the video, any part you do not understand, all you have to do just rewind, just go back, pause, and follow the exact step which I have laid out, and you get your website working. So without wasting much time, let's just go straight into the processes. So guys, to get started, for this kind of website, to create a website, you need three things. You need your domain name, which is your web address, which is your company name that will be logged in, like that will be the website address. So when you want to search for your company on the web, you just go there, maybe like www.yourcompanyname.com. So you will need to have a domain name, and then you need to have a hosting, and then you need to build a website, which is the website which you're going to build on your domain name. So those are the three things. So now I'm going to show you how you're going to get a domain name and hosting. The hosting is what connects your domain name to the internet so that it will be able to be searched for when someone comes online to search for your website, or when they click it and they will be able to connect to your website, which is the hosting. So for us to do that, we have to go to www.namecheap namecheap.com. So you have to go to this website now. Go to this website now, www.namecheap.com, to get your domain name, which is your company name, your company web address, and your hosting. So I will show you how we can get that in a few seconds. So click on enter. So now we are in Namecheap website where we can get our domain name and hosting. So you hover on hosting, and the drop down menu will come up, and you click on shared hosting. Click on shared hosting. Scroll down, see the plans that they have. They have a plan for 1.15 pounds. You'll be paying in dollars though, so 1.15 pounds. This will be lesser in dollars per month, and this one is 1.85 pounds per month. This one is, so I advise you as a starter, and for you to for you not to spend so much on this, I advise you to take the cheapest one, which can host up to 3 websites. So if you are building a website for up to like 3 clients, you can use just one hosting to build 3 websites for 3 clients. So you can make money off of that. And if you have exhausted this 3 space, then you can now probably buy another hosting for other clients, or you can get a bigger hosting plan where you can host unlimited websites. So with just this one hosting, you can build unlimited website for different clients, so you don't have to buy hosting again, or you just have to buy domain names, company names, and then you host them here. But for this one, you're only going to host just 3 websites. So if you don't want to spend much for a start, you just come here, you click on get started for the cheapest one. Now they're asking if you have a domain name that you like to connect to the hosting. So if as you are starting from scratch, I assume you do not have a domain name yet. So now you click on new domain name. It's already highlighted there. So you go down and they already highlighted new purchase. You click on it, it's already highlighted. You scroll down. Now you are going to put your domain name, the company name you want to create, the delivery website you want to create. So mine is Mex Louis Louis.com. So if it's available, they will show it to you. Mine is not available because I have already purchased this earlier. But if it's something else, let's say Max Lewis delivery. Okay, now you see maxlewisdelivery.com is available. So it's the first one and they've highlighted it. So I'll advise that you always buy a domain name with a .com. All these other ones, some of them are free, but they are not with the .com extension, which doesn't make them look so reliable. Like it doesn't make them look way a company website should be. So select Mex is the one for .com. So I'm not saying you're going to use Mexloo. So you just have to search the company name there and you select it. Once you select it, you scroll down and you click connect to hosting. You click connect to hosting. So once you have clicked connect to hosting, now you come here, you click add to chart, add to chart. So here it is, here is the overview of what you are purchasing, your domain name registration. So you just scroll down and click on confirm order. Once you have clicked on confirm order, you'll be required to sign in to continue. But if you do not have an account here, all you have to do is to create a new account here. So I'm going to be creating another account. Next is one and put a password. So same here. So that's it. So you click create account and continue. So now they're requesting that you put your account contact information. So now here you're going to put, you can ignore this. This is I'm registering on behalf of a company. You can uncheck it and just put your normal address like 14 Allen Avenue, City, um, Lagos, State, Province, Lagos. So you have to search for Allen, the address you are using. You have to search for the zip code and also put it there. And then using your phone number. So plus two. So I'm using Nigerian number plus 2348030654980. So you click on continue. No thanks. So that's it. This is the next page now. This is the billing contact. If you are using your card to for the billing to pay for this, they will require that they will check that this address matches with that in your card. So let's continue. I'll show you other options as well. So you click on continue. So here is how to make payment for this. So as you can see here, what the subtotal for this is 20.14 pounds, which should be equivalent to about right now it should be about 22,000 naira or thereabout. 22,000 naira. So you can either pay with your card and you put in the details of your card to make this payment, and make sure your address matches with the address of your card so it can go through. Or you can pay using PayPal or Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. As you can see here, it's allowed. So to pay with Bitcoin, you have to click account funds. You have to pay with the funds in your account. So for you to do that, for you to add funds to your account, you have to log in. Now it says you do not have sufficient funds in your account to cover this purchase. So you now have to add funds to your account using Bitcoin. If you do not want to use your card to make the payment straight out from here, you have to add funds to your account using Bitcoin. To do this, you just have to go to the dashboard of your account. Let's open it in another link. You go to the dashboard of your account, you come here, you click here, open in another tab, you click open link in another tab, click here, open link in another tab, and you go there, it takes you to your dashboard. So we're in another tab now. Now we are in another tab. As you can see, we have 00 naira in our account. So to top up, you click on top up and you scroll down, payment method. Now you see Bitcoin. You can use to top up your account. You can use Bitcoin. You click on here. This is if you want to pay using Bitcoin. You click here and you click next. Now you put in the amount you want to add to your account. Now you see the purchase here is about 20.14 pounds, which is about 22,000 naira as of creating this video. So you check the equivalent of the amount you need to make this to purchase your domain name and your hosting. Check the equivalent, and that is what you click to add here. So if it's in dollars, so should be about I don't know right now, so let's just assume it's about 25 or $30 we're adding into our account. So you click on $30 and you click either of this, BTC Pay or BitPay. Click on either of it. So it will take you to a page where you will make a secure payment using Bitcoin into your account. Then once you have selected BTC Pay or you select BitPay, whichever one you choose to use, you click on add funds. So it will take you to a payment gateway where you can make payment. So now you can scan this barcode to make the payment directly from your BTC wallet, or you can just click copy. You copy this Bitcoin address which you use to make the payment. So once you copy it, you take it to your Bitcoin wallet address, to your Bitcoin wallet, and you make a payment of 0.00103622 BTC. Once you make that payment, it has 14 minutes for this to time out. So you make your payment within 14 minutes. And once the payment is made, your account will be credited automatically and you receive an email to that effect. So once your account is credited, once you click on account funds, your balance will show here, and it will be enough to cover for this payment. Once it's enough to cover for this payment, all you just need to do is click continue, and that's it. Once you have clicked continue, you will receive an email that will notify you that you have purchased this domain name, and you have purchased the hosting, and all of that will be activated immediately. And then you have to go to your email address which you use in registering this account, your email address which you use in registering this account, to confirm your domain name, so that because they will give you 14 days to confirm that you own this domain name. If not, it will be blocked. So you go to your email address and confirm this domain name, then you are good to go. Once you have done that, once you have purchased your domain name and your hosting, then we can move to the next step of installing the website on your domain name. So once that is done, we now go straight to your dashboard. You click on dashboard. Now from our dashboard, we go to our hosting list. Yeah, you click on hosting list, and then you see your domain name. Your domain name which you just purchased will be right here. You know what I'm saying? So the domain name, which is also your web address, will be right here. So we go to cPanel. We click on go to cPanel. You click on it. Here's our cPanel. So we'll click on this app here, Softaculous App Installer. We'll click on it. If you can't find it on this page, you can search for it here, Softaculous App Installer. This is it. You click on it. We are going to install WordPress. So when you click on Softaculous App Installer, it takes you here where we are going to install WordPress from. So this is WordPress. So we're going to click on install. Click on install. So this is the overview of the installation of WordPress. So you go through it and you check if all the parameters are in place. Now here your domain name will be here. The domain name which you are creating your website for will be here. And then you scroll down and here is admin username. You can change it to whatever you want to change it to, but me, I'm going to change my admin username to admin, and then I'm going to change the password to, you just need to select a strong password. So that's my password. You can select strong password for your own installation. So with that done, just scroll down to the bottom of the page and click install. And that's it for installing WordPress. So because our delivery website will be built in WordPress. It is going to be a WordPress installation. So that is it. Congratulations, the software was installed successfully. So now we're going to click on this link. Now this link will take us to our back end of our delivery website. Every website has a back end and a front end. So the front end is what people who visit your website, your web page, will see and interact with. While the back end is where configurations and updates and uploads to the website is being made. So that the back end, when you finish creating your website, the back end, this link is what you will send to your client or the business owner or whoever you created the website for. You send this link to them with the username and password so that they can access the back end of the website, where they can make changes, from where they can make a create shipment and deliveries, and so on and so forth. As we go forward, you understand the use of this link and the back end of your website. So now we're going to click on this link to take us to the back end of our website. So here it is. Here now we're at the back end of our website. So to check the progress of our website, to see how far we have gone on our website, how our website is looking on the front end, we click here, my blog, you click on it, or you click on visit site, or you just click on it. It will take you to the front end of your website. So here is the front end of our website. Nothing is on it. It's just a default page of WordPress which we just installed that is showing right here. So nothing is on it right now. So now we are going to build our delivery website on this installation so that we can have our delivery website up and running. So we'll now go back to our back end or our dashboard. You either click on the dashboard or you click on here and it take you back to the back end of the website. So I'm going to click here. Now we're on the dashboard of our back end of our website. So now for us to install, to create the delivery website, we're simply going to import an already made, already designed delivery website into our domain name, into this WordPress installation. So that this is so because we do not want to do so much work in creating, programming, designing, and all that. We're just going to import an already made delivery website. So for us to do that, for us to import the file, we are going to install a plugin. You go to plugin and click on add new. You click on add new. So the plugin we are going to install here is known as all-in-one WP migration. So we're going to search for all-in-one WP migration. So it's going to load. You don't have to type it all in. With that, with just that, it's going to come up here. So this is it, all-in-one WP migration. You click on install now. Once it is installed, you click on activate. Click on activate. Now it has been activated. So you see it here. It will come down on this drop down menu. You see it here. It has been activated. So we can now use it to import our already designed delivery website. So we'll click on import. Now the already designed delivery website that we're going to import here is already in my computer. So in order for us not to go through the hassle of designing of website, we're going to import an already designed website here, and that website, that file is in my computer. So I'm going to make it available for you if you like the design, if it's what you if you like the
Now it's
layout and how it is.
100%
I'm going
complete,
to make it
but
available
we
for you
still
at
have
the
to
end of
wait
this
for it to
video. I'm
process
going
to
to
the
send it
next
to you
page
so
before
you
we
can
can
use it
continue.
to, you can
So
also
you just have
import
to
it in
hold on
your
and let it
WordPress
process to the next
installation, and
page.
you have a functional delivery website. After the importation, all you need to do is just to configure it to suit your domain name, and you change the logo, and that's all. You are good to go, and your website will be up and running in no time. So I'm going to install it, import the file from my computer. All I have to do now is click on import from, and you click on file. Now this is the file here. I'm going to import it. So I'm just going to double click on it, and the importation has started. So while the import has started, you don't have to close this window. You have to leave the window open until it is 100%. You don't have to do anything, just wait for it to complete so that you do not disrupt it, or for it to start again, or for it to fail. So you just leave it and it's going to complete. Once it's complete, then we'll continue. Another thing, it could take 10 minutes, it could take 15 minutes, depending on the speed of your internet. So you just have to be patient and wait for it to complete. And once it's done, then we'll make progress from there. So now we click on proceed. So wait for it to process. Good. Now it says your site has been imported successfully. So we will not click on finish. We come here and click on save palm link structure. Save palm link structure. Click on it. Now it's asking us to update our WordPress database. So you click on update WordPress database. Click on continue. Here we are not going to put in our username and password because we have imported um, an already made delivery website, already designed delivery website, which has its own username and password. Since we do not know the username and password of this website, we assume we do not know it, we'll have to go back and edit our username and password from our hosting control panel where we installed WordPress from. So we'll go back to our hosting list here. We'll go back to our hosting list and click go to cPanel. You click go to cPanel. From our cPanel, you click on Softaculous App Installer. Click on Softaculous App Installer. Then you come to installation. So installations, you click on it. Then you see the website we're working on, which we have just installed, the WordPress installation we made earlier, which is this. So we'll come to edit details because we have imported the already designed delivery website into our WordPress installation. So now it came with its own username and password. So we're going to edit it from here. So we'll go to edit, click on edit. Then you come down and change the username and password. Scroll down to admin account, admin username. You now put in your admin username. Mine is admin, and you put in your password. So me, I'm going to put in my password. So you put in your password. So that's it. Sign on username. You can also put in admin there, and you scroll down to the bottom of the page and click save installation details. And that's it. So we'll go back to the login page and we use our login details to log in. This is the password. Administration email verification. Now it's asking if we have to verify if we have this email. Current administration email admin@thedomainname.com. So if you do not have this email, I'll show you how you can set up emails from your cPanel, from your hosting cPanel. We'll do that later. For now, let's click this email is correct. So we can continue with our installation. Now it's asking to save permalink structure. You just scroll down and click save changes. And if it comes again, you scroll down, save changes. And that's it. So now we're going to look at how the front end looks like. Now we'll have to see how our website is looking from the front end. The importation is complete, and now we have imported an already designed delivery website. So let's see how it looks from the front end. So we're going to click here and see. Now this is our website. It's now up and running. Our delivery website is now ready. It has now been completely installed. So everything here is functioning as it should be, as you can see here. welcome to, this is the website we imported into our domain. So all we have to do now is to edit some of the details so it can match with our personal information. We can match with the website which we are creating, which we are setting up here. So you can see that this is working perfectly well. You see, this is the about us page. This is the about, so we're going to edit all these names to match ours. This is our services, contact us, shipment data, and this is to track package. Click here. Once everything is ready, you can track package from this page. So you can see, you can track results, and you can see where the package is, and the current situation of each package. So now we are going to edit this page to match our our website, to match our delivery website. So now the first thing we are going to do, we're going to change this logo. We're going to change this logo. There's a lot of things that we need to change here. So you, as we go through it, you see how you'll be able to change it on your own once you have installed your website, once you have your delivery website up and running. So let's go to the back end to change this logo. So I'll come here now, click here. So just follow me step by step, and you see how we're going to edit all that we need to edit. So to change the logo, we're going to scroll down and come here to DV, the DV option. Then we'll click on theme options. Click on theme options. So now this is the logo. We're going to click on upload logo. Click on upload. So if you have created your logo, it should be in your computer. So you come here and click on upload files. Come here, you select your logo which you should have created. So when you have created a logo, you click on select files, go to your computer and upload it from there. So now here's my logo that I'm going to use. So I'm going to double click. So now it has uploaded completely. So now I'm going to click set as logo, set as logo. So now I'm going to click save changes, save changes. It has saved. Now let's see how it's looking on our front end. Wow, looking good, right? So now we're going to edit other informations like the phone number. I'm going to show you how you can edit this phone number, how we're going to edit this email, and also if the client you are creating this delivery website for has a Facebook page, how you can put a link to their Facebook page here so that any customer that comes on this website can go straight to their Facebook page from here. So now we're going to edit all of this information here. Then we'll come back and edit the other informations on the page. So let's go back to see how we can edit all this information. So go back to our back end dashboard. So we'll come to appearance, come to customize, click on customize. So now from here we're going to edit most of the information here. So let's start from the general settings. As you can see here, this is the name of the name that was used to design this website which we imported here. So we're going to change it to the name we're working on right now. So we'll come on general settings, go to site identity, and we're going to change it. So now the one I've created is, as you can see here, is Max Lewis Logistics Limited. So we're just going to change that. Max Lewis Logistics Limited, and that's it. Tagline international. You can edit this if this doesn't suit what you are designing. You can edit this as well from here. Which is the tagline is simply what shows here. Like when as you can see, when you hover on it, you see here international air. That's what is here. So you can change it if you don't, if it doesn't suit your purpose. So now to change this site icon, this is the site icon here. So if you don't like it, if you have your own site icon that you want to change to, you just come here and click on change image. So for right now, I'm going to leave this. I'm not going to change it. Click on change image. So once you have made the changes that you want, you click on publish to save changes on your website. So that's it. So we'll go back. So now we'll come to header and navigation. Header and navigation, primary menu bar. Primary menu bar, this is the menu height. We can change the menu height if we want. You see it's moving, you can shift it back to whichever one you want. You can take it smaller, you can make it bigger. So let's leave it at where it was before. So anything, you can just play around and change anything you want to suit your purpose. You can change colors, you can change background but for right now I'm just going to leave it like that. You can make full width, you can remove it and leave it like, if you want your logo to spread to the edge, you can make it like that. If you don't want it, if you want to hide your logo, so on and so forth. So you just keep searching, you keep working around the settings. You can change all the settings. Now go to header elements to change this number and this email. So header element, this is the phone number here. You can change it to the number you want to be there for the company you are creating, their contact number. You put it there, put the number, and then the email, you change it. I'm also going to show you how you can create email, your customized email, so that it will look like this from your control panel, from your hosting list control panel. You can create your customized email from there. So that when your customers come, when the customers come on your front on your website, they can easily contact you for anything that they need. So you click on publish. Once it's published, then it will be updated on your website. So we go back, so we can change this, show you the link for the Facebook. Scroll down here, click on menus, click on sec main. So you see this here. To edit it, you click here. Now if you already have the link to the Facebook page of the courier company you are designing, you copy and paste it here. For here, there is no link, there is no Facebook page attached to this, just facebook.com. So when this link is clicked, you just go to login page of Facebook. Or if you have the direct page of the courier company you are designing for, you just copy the link of the page and put it here. So whenever it is clicked, it will take the customer straight to the Facebook page of the company you are designing for. So if you also want to edit this to the name of the Facebook page, you just change all that is here to the name of the company. Next service, and you can add the address or whichever thing you want to add to it. And that's it. But if you don't have any need for it, you don't have a Facebook page, you don't have any use for this, all you have to do is click remove. You just remove it completely and it will no longer be there. So if you don't need it, you don't have a Facebook page, you don't need this to be on your website, you just click remove and it's gone. So we're going to publish this. So that's it. So let's go to our website and see how it's looking from the front end. So click here now and we'll see how it's looking right now. Nice, it's looking good. Now we have our phone number, we have our email, we have changed this. So we're going to have to edit the page, the main page itself. So for us to edit this page as we are viewing it from here, we click on enable visual builder. Click on enable visual builder. Click on it. So with this, you'll be able to edit the page directly as you are seeing it from here. You're going to edit any information you want to edit as you're seeing it from here. Now it's ready. So this slide is not working for some reason. It needs to be updated. So I'll have to update it later, and then I'll also create another video to show you how to work on it, to put in your design. But for right now, we don't really need it, so we're going to continue without it. So we're just going to remove it. So I'm going to remove this. So we're now going to continue without it. So let's delete that space. So now we're going to work on all of this. So to edit anything here, you just need to click on these settings here. You hover around above the text, and then you click on the second, or you can just click on the text directly and you start editing it. So now we're going to edit this. So we edit everything that doesn't suit our purpose. We change it to the name of the company we are creating for. So that's it. You can edit anything you do not want and put in what you want there to suit your design, to suit your. So you just read through. Wherever you see a different name or something you do not want, you remove it from there. Over global logistic company, just scroll through, see this here, right here. I'm going to edit it as well. So I'm going to edit this too. So click on this. If you cannot get on the text, you just click on settings. When you hover on top of it, you click on settings and it brings out the text. So you edit it. And click here. This also. Then you change the number, change the phone number, change your address. You put your address here. Hours every day. Scroll down as well. You just go through it and you change what needs to be changed. You understand? So that's basically it. We'll do this from appearance. This is part. We'll change this from appearance. I'll show you in a bit. So once you are done editing, you come to this three dot at the bottom. This three dot at the bottom, and you click on save. Once you are done editing a page, you come to these three dots at the bottom and click on save to save it to save the updates to your website. So once it's saved, we'll go to another page. This is the home page which we just edited. We'll go to the about page. Go to the about page and we do the same. We also edit on it as well. No, we exit the because this visual builder is only activated on the home page. So we exit it. We exit the visual builder, and then we go to the about page. So whichever page we want to edit, we exit the visual builder and we come on that page. Then we enable visual builder so we can edit that page. So now we're here again. Come here, put in the name of your company, just like we did before. So put in the name of the company you are building. You scroll down, you see if there are other changes that need to be made as well on this page. See this one. Scroll down. See. Basically all you just have to do is read through and change where necessary. So once it's done, you come down and click on save. Once it's saved, it marks good. When you exit the visual builder, you go over to another page and see if there is a need for change. Anything you need to change, you just change it just like that. So we enable visual builder here. Still have this thing coming up here, so we're just going to remove it for now. It's out of date, so we need to install another one, but we don't need it right now, so we're just going to remove it. So if there's anything here as well we need to change, then change it. So that's it. You just keep editing, working around it. Once you have this file, once you have it uploaded into your website, you just keep working around it, edit what needs to be edited. So that difficult is so easy. So you just edit it, and you have your courier, your delivery website good to go. So that's all. So the next thing we're going to look at here is the track package, which is the most important of all. So let me just finish with this. We'll go to how to create package and how to track the packages. So that's it. Come to this three dots and just save it. So this is the track package. If you click on it, you see to track a package, you need to enter a tracking number. So now I'm going to show you how you're going to create a shipment which can be tracked here by providing the tracking number, and then you click on track results. So we'll go back to our dashboard where we'll be able to create shipment. To create shipments, we have to come to ship. First of all, we have to upload our logo to our shipment settings. So whenever a shipment is being tracked, our logo will also appear on the tracking page. So we'll come to general setting, we'll come to WP Cargo first and click on general setting. Scroll down. So everything is already set for you. So you don't really have to do anything just to upload your logo. All the settings has been done for you. So you just have to upload your logo. You click on upload logo. You can just click on this because we already uploaded it here. So just click here and you select it. So that's it. It's done. So you scroll down and click on save changes. Great. So now we're going to create a shipment. Go to shipment and come here, click on add shipment. So now to add new shipment, here will be the tracking number. So you're going to create a tracking number for the shipment. So let's create a tracking number for the ship. Well, this that's created automatically. So sometimes it creates automatically. If it doesn't, then you have to put in the shipment number. So you can still remove it and change it on your own and just put whichever form of number you want. You can use a 567 with alphabet, just the way you want your shipment number or tracking number to be. That's what you put up there. So now we create shipper's name John Doe, receiver's name Jane Doe, phone number, you put the phone number there, receiver's phone number, you put the phone number there, address, you put the address there, west, south, east, you put the actual address. This is just for the tutorial purpose, so I'm not just going to put accurate details. I'm just going to put anything there just so that we'll see how it works. Come to email, you put email John Doe at example.com, put the email address, Jane Doe, scroll down, shipment type. If it's air freight, you select international shipping, you select truckload, select van move, select. So let's see international shipping. So weight, put 45 kg, put package, one package, put products, whatever type of products you're shipping, put it there. Payment mode, select cash, carrier, select if it's DHL, UPS, FedEx, or others, put others, whichever carrier you're using. Departure time, put it, select the time that it will depart. Destination, see Ghana. Destination Ghana, pickup time, select the time, select the mode. If you see transland shipping, air freight, see if it's land shipping, select it. If it's air freight, select it. Quantity, you put it in. Total freight, just fill in all that it needs. Origin, say Nigeria, pickup dates, see 2nd August, expected delivery date, the 2nd August. You can put any comment you want to put, any comment you want to put, any form of description you want to put, you just put it there. You also come here, date, time, location, maybe still in Lagos, Nigeria. Lagos in status, pending. So you can put any remark you want to put. But for now, let's click on publish. Once you have created the shipment, once you have created the shipment, you click on publish. Once you have clicked on publish, you copy this the tracking number. Copy it. We're going to use it to track the package. So let's go to our opening. Let's go to the front end. Supposing you have created a shipment and now the tracking number, you send it to the client, and the client will be able to track the package from our website. So click track package here. So come in and put in that number and click track result. Wow, you see it's working perfectly well. See now, you see that our logo here, see the barcode, and you see all the details here, shipper information, the receiver information. So the client who is expecting the shipment, who has the tracking number, can check the status of their package from the website. So you can see, you can come here and check the status and the description of their package from your website, which is great. So now this is the current time, location, status of the package. So now we can update this information as the package is moving. So we'll go back to our shipment, go to all shipments. From all shipments, you see this package which we just created. You come to edit. Once you come to edit, this is where you update the package. So if the day have changed, the date will change here. The time will change. The current location, you can put Abuja, Nigeria. Abuja, Nigeria. Abuja, Nigeria. Status, picked up, remarks. You can put on route. Then you update it. When you update it, if the client goes back to track his or her package, they will see the updates on the package. So if you scroll down now, you see that there has been an update on the package. As you can see here now, there has been an update on the package. If we go again to update it, as many times as you update it, the updates will keep on coming here. We will keep on showing here to communicate with the client who is expecting a package. So if we go there again and we update it again, maybe let's change the date to 31st and change the time to 1900. Enter location, let's say Accra, Ghana. Accra, Ghana. Let's say delivered. So update it. So once we've updated it, our client again can also still see that the package has been delivered if they track again with that same tracking number. Now you see the package has been delivered. So as the package moves, you keep on updating it, and the update will be showing up here. So that's it for the tracking of package. So one more thing again, let's go to all shipment. All shipment. Now when we create a shipment, we can see the invoice of that shipment here. Click on invoice, and you see the invoice. This invoice can be sent to the customer, to the client, or we can print the invoice from here. You click on print and then you send it. Or you can also see the waybill here. You click on waybill. This is the waybill. You can send it to your client. So this is basically all about this for now. So you see how great this website is. So you can easily have this website in less than 30 minutes. Once you have gotten your domain and you have installed the WordPress and you have installed the WordPress on your domain on your website, then you install this plugin all in one WP migration. Then with this design I already have here package, you can just come to import and then import this design, and you have this website up and running in less than 30 minutes. And once you have it up and running, all you have to do is just do the edit where it's necessary, put in your company name and all that, and then you have this design in no time. So let's see how the front end is looking. So that's it basically for the delivery website, which is also known as Courier website. You can also set up your live chat so that whenever a customer wants to contact you directly, they can contact you, or they can contact you through email or through phone number. So whichever one you want, you can set this up correctly by installing this app on your phone or on your device, and and it's also installed on the back end, so where you can just log in with your details. Once you have installed this app on your phone, you have a login to that app, and you come here, scroll down, you see Tido chat, you click on it, and then you log in your account, and whoever comes on your website and click on the chat button, and will send a message there, you will receive a notification on your phone. So that's that. So to create an email, you go back to your hosting list and you click on go to cPanel. Go to cPanel. From your cPanel, you search for email accounts. You click on email accounts. This is how to create customized email addresses to match your domain name. So you just come here and click on create. So this is already your domain name, so that's your customized email address. So whichever email you want to create, if you want to create info, you just write info and you put in a password and you click on create. That's it. Or you want to create an admin email address, admin at your domain name, you put your password and you click create. Or you want to create a name, a username, email address, or whatever email address you want to create, you just come here and you create it. So that's basically it. So this is our website. Our website is now ready. You can now create this for your clients with this design. If you like this design, if you just want this design, how it's been packaged, all you need to do is send me a message now, and I will make this available to you. I'll give you access to this design, to this file which I use in setting up this website, and I'm going to charge you just 20k naira, 20,000 naira for it. So with that, you can have access to this website. And if you're not in Nigeria, 20,000 naira equivalent to the currency which you are using, which will be the charge for this. So all you have to do, send me a message now, and I'll send it to you. I will give you a link where you can download it from, and you can get your website running in less than 30 minutes, and you can create this with this design for any client, for any business, for any individual whom you are working with. You can create this delivery website for them in less than 30 minutes, and you can charge up to 100k per website, depending on your client, the client you are dealing with. You can charge 100 to 150k for it. So not just slide into my DM now and make a request for it, and I will make it available for you for just 20,000 naira. So that's all. And if you need any further explanation, any parts you do not really understand, or you want to, you are having issues in any area, feel free to message me. You can message me directly on the platform you're seeing this, or you can check the description for my WhatsApp details where you can contact me directly. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this works out for you just as it's working right now for me. I wish you all the best. Thank you.